This electric vehicle is undergoing a fire in its battery. In 10 minutes, it will reach temperatures of 1500 Celsius, way higher than a regular car fire. Turning your extinguisher is pointless, but don't worry, there's a new solution. In a world of electric devices, we have lithium batteries everywhere, even in our pockets. It means we're exposed to fire threats every day. Most importantly, when we're talking about electric vehicles. Here's the thing, hybrid and electric vehicle fires can burn for hours and hours, even days. So, let me tell you how to deal with these fires. Bridgehill has developed a new technology, introducing EV-rated fire blankets made of pyroxene. These fire blankets can handle extreme temperatures, stop the spread of fire, isolate the toxic gases and smoke, and keep you and your building safe. I'm not saying you're going to have an EV fire, but if it happens, are you ready?
Bridgehill, we simply block fire.